Here are 4 habits that keep people in the rat race. 1. Lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, so do your expenses. 2. The good debt delusion. Taking on loans for things that don't generate income. 3. Prioritizing comfort over capital, spending on depreciating assets instead of investing. 4. Relying on a single income stream. This is the most dangerous financial position. To illustrate, consider 2 people who both earn $100,000. Person A buys the middle-class starter pack a new car, a big mortgage, a luxury gym membership. Person B lives like they earn $50,000 and invests the rest. In 10 years, Person A is trapped by payments, while Person B has financial freedom. Your current struggle is just a setup for your greatest comeback.